Acoustic foam panels. Different shapes are available.
You can take a look at it. There are two types of bag. Strong flexibility. It doesn't deform when rubbed casually. It is more convenient for install, which with self-adhesive backing. Perforated acoustic panel. It is made of melamine, surface 加 MDF 加 sponge. The size is bag with sponge or not are both okay. Totems are carved by engraving machines. Other totems are also can be customized. Wooden slat acoustic panel. It is made of melamine surface 加 MDD 加 polyester fiber panel. Colors of bag are available. Polyester fiber panels. Different colors and shapes are available. Here are the color samples displayed. Welcome to get more details from us.